Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and this time we're going to be doing a bit of a custom. What we've got is a Kenworth low loader and trailer from 1981, made by Matchbox. Now, in the good old days when this first came out, it would have had a brown cage or frame to hold a yacht. Well, I haven't got either of them. So when I say it's a custom, not really a custom in so much as changing what it looks like, other than the fact a bit of a new paint job. Because what I'd like to do is add it to our BP setup. So I'm either going to give it a bit of an MLM two-tone blue colour, or the green and yellow for BP. I haven't decided yet. So as I say, this isn't a restoration. This is a bit of a custom job, bit of fun. Give this wagon a new lease of life, and then as and when we have some new vehicles come in for repair, we've got a low loader to bring them in on. So that's my train of thought. That's what we're going to be doing. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox Kenworth low loader. Nice little project, this one. I enjoyed doing this. So the idea was to customise it, not body wise or chassis wise or anything like that, just to give it a colour scheme, a new colour scheme, to match up with our BP themed sales and service station. And we've even put the Dodge Wrecker truck on the back to give it a bit of effect. But what did we do? Okay, so we stripped off the paint, obviously, give it a green and yellow theme. Created a couple of stickers, a couple of BP sticker decals. Re-chromed all the bright work. Re-chromed the wheels using a volatile pen. Polished the plastic windscreen. Pretty straightforward, really. We've added an O-ring where the trailer meets the unit, just to look like it's cushioning it. Bit of effect, really. But yeah, pleased with the way this one's come out. It's another edition. I've got 3 vehicles left to do, an auto tanker and 2 general size tankers, so we're getting around to them in the future. But coming up next, we've got a DMC challenge. It's the TV and film movie challenge. So we've got a good number of builders taking part in that. Looking forward to seeing what they've done. So if you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe. Don't forget you can come and find us on the Diecast and Modelers community channel on Facebook, and you'll be able to find me and a bunch of other modelers and restorers. So this is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.